Your Genesis comes equipped with many Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS for short. These include features such as lane keeping assist, forward collision alert, and rear cross traffic safety, among others. These driver assistance systems share alert and warning settings that you can adjust. To adjust them, select Setup, then Vehicle, then Driver Assistance. You can adjust the warning timing to set the initial warning activation time. Your vehicle will be delivered with the timing set to normal. You can adjust it to Late if you wish, for when traffic is light and driving speed is low. Warning volume can be adjusted between high, medium, low, and off. However, even if off is selected, the system's warning volume will not turn off, but the volume will sound as low. Haptic Warning allows you to adjust the vibrations and movements of the steering wheel during alerts. You can adjust them to strong, medium, or light, or off. As you adjust, the wheel will vibrate briefly to sample your selection. It's important to know that these changes are universal for all ADAS systems. So if you set the warning volume to medium, for instance, it will be medium for all warning alerts. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.